as you could see, this is the countertop of the portable dishwasher. You take off the screw here, the screw here, and as you can see, this is the insulation around the tub that houses inside the portable dishwasher cabinet, which I'm going to try and put a built-in dishwasher in here. Let's see here. It's 24 inches wide. This is the top. And we're about to see if it's going to fit inside the portable dishwasher. Back here, what I did for the plumbing, there's the drain hose and there's the water. Now I'm about to take off this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. Take this panel off because you have a wire and pipes coming through there into the door.
What's happening here?
Now, as you can see, the plate is off.
What?
The plate is off, and I gotta take this screw and this screw and this screw
That's so disgusting.
and this screw, so this get this door off. That's the next step. Okay, now I took out all the screws over here and here, and so I can let the wiring, and I got the screw. This door should pull right up. Gonna disconnect the water hose and the drain hose.